Hello, friends. We are going to learn what are affirmations. Affirmations are positive sentences which we tell to ourselves, which are in present tense, and they are always personal sentences. So, let me tell you the various different types of affirmation. First is verbal affirmation. Whatever we say to ourselves, to others, throughout the day is an affirmation. Whatever talk we are doing throughout the day, when we are speaking with our friends, our family members, our colleagues, in person or to a group, all are affirmations, including the self talk we are doing in our mind. So, all these are verbal affirmations. Then there are auditory affirmations. That means whatever we are listening to throughout the day are auditory affirmations. They may be the news, the lectures, maybe the books you are reading, or when you are listening to any conversations in your environment, all those are affirmations or the feeding you are giving to your mind and your conscious as well as subconscious mind. So they are auditory affirmations. Then there are affirmations which we write in a notebook. All those are affirmations we can modify because when we are writing very intentionally and we pay attention to what we are writing. But that doesn't always happen when we are thinking. We are very careless when we are thinking about something. We don't pay attention to the quality of our thoughts. Many people are conscious about what they are speaking. They are bit conscious when they say few words, but many people are even not conscious about what they are speaking. Fourth type of affirmations are your imagination and your visualizations. Yes, all those things are influencing our conscious and our subconscious mind. So, always be very careful when you are visualizing something and imagining something in your mind. All those are your affirmations. And the fifth most important thing which is available now is what we are speaking when we are talking to someone on phone. Yes, they are also verbal affirmations. Suppose I am making this video, I am talking. This is also an affirmation. This is programming my own mind as well as this is programming your mind. So, throughout the day, be conscious about what words we are using. What is the emotional undertone towards that word, towards the sentences, as well as what are the quality of the sentences? Are they positive? Are they negative? So, when you are aware about it and when you transform or you change the negative sentences into the positive sentences, you are ready to practice affirmations and you are ready to transform your conscious and subconscious mind. So be with me on this journey. Thank you. Thank you so much.